Devon, good to meet you. Thanks for agreeing to let me send you a video mail. Ms. Williams, Ms. Nyan-Duop, thank you for letting me speak with your son. As I said in my introductory message, I'm an education surveyor working with the Google Department of Education. I'm assembling an overview of learning conditions and opportunities in Louisville, and Devon, your name has come up repeatedly. Now, this isn't bad, it's nothing to worry about. It's just that some of the things you've been working on bubbled up to the top in my preliminary research, and it seemed pretty clear that I should talk to you about a new project I'm involved with. Well, what things? Well, the oral history that you're working on, for one. Your mentor at the Community Learning Center, Mr. Armstrong, has some very positive things to say about it. He thinks you have a real gift. He sent me a couple of the pieces that you made public, and I have to say, I was quite impressed too. But here's the thing. While I definitely find the history you're recounting to be compelling, I was particularly intrigued by the way you connect your subjects' identities and histories with the tools that you use. You even say at one point, there's little difference between who we are and what we make. They both create and are created by our surroundings that keep changing at a dizzying speed. I really appreciated that insight. The other project that you're involved with that kept bringing up alerts in my web survey is your role in the New Earth game world. It's my understanding that you are the former leader of one of the larger guilds on New Earth, one that was identified by Paradigm Engineers, the folks who run the game, as a Transformer guild. Now, Ms. Williams, Ms. Nyan-Duop, I don't know how much you follow the nuances of New Earth, but just in case, you should know that a Transformer guild is a player team that has actually contributed important new parts to the game world. There are only about a half dozen Transformer guilds out there, and Devon's guild is one of the best. In short, he's a world builder. Devon, I'm wondering if you'd be interested in doing more world building. Now, do you know about the Fab Labs? They're the microfacturing centers, originally set up by MIT, that offer a unique combination of education and making. Louisville's had one for about a decade now. It's about to start a new curriculum, and I think it's one that you'd be perfect for. They're calling it Ex Machina, and it's an attempt to create an innovative kind of design education. Participants will design entirely new objects, tools, toys, etc., in a virtual world, then bring them into the physical world through advanced 3D printing. New Earth is one of the virtual worlds they're partnering with, but they'll also have a presence in World of StarCraft 2 and in Nanoverse. It's an experiment in design and education and fabrication. Its overriding theme is, in a word, transformation, world building. Now, this may sound like another Faber class, but it's not. The purpose of Ex Machina isn't just to make stuff. There's already plenty of stuff out there. The purpose is to tell stories with objects, to create physical things that have cultural weight. You can see now why your interests are perfect for this curriculum. The Louisville Fab Lab administrator, Gail LeMay, is a fully accredited eduvator and would be happy to coordinate with your community learning center to make sure that you're following your education plans. So I'll be posting an extended piece about Ex Machina on my home site in the next couple of days, so there will be quite a bit of interest there. I just wanted you to have a chance to think it over beforehand, before I tell everybody else. Devon, Ms. Nyan-Duop, Ms. Williams, thank you for your time.